Hi, I'm Streaky from Streaky.com. I'm a mastering engineer, been mastering for about 25 years for super high end, super low end and everyone in between. I'm on this channel talking about pro audio, hi-fi, sound, how to get your room sounding better, how to mix and master better if you're into production, how to just hear speakers better if you just like the sound of speakers or headphones. Today I have just got a new delivery and it's been a while coming. It is a new Mini Mac from Mac. You might have seen that this week they came out. I've had one as a player unit for years and years. The last one it was 2014, so it's been 4 years in the making this. So I thought, as it's so exciting to open an Apple product because they're all about the boxing, I thought I would do a little bit of an unbox in front of you because it's the new one that's just out. Why not? Don't just love their packaging. Everything is so well thought out, even down to the wooden cardboard. But the beauty about these Mini Macs is that you can buy them with 8 GB of RAM and then expand them up to 64 gig afterwards, where the previous ones you had to buy it with whatever you wanted in it. So the expandability was a real pain. They come in space grey only. So I just love Apple boxing. It's so nice. Oh. So there we go. So instead of the old one, which was silver, this one is a sort of more of a space grey, and it comes with like some kind of little seal protection on there. We whip that off. So they've lost the SD card on the back of them for these models. This one is 6 core. You can get it in a quad core as well, but obviously I've gone for the top-notch one just so that I don't have to buy another one for a while, hopefully. And yeah, this one's got full gig in it, but you can upgrade, as I just said. They've got 4 USB-Cs in, so they've done away with the, which is a bit annoying because I've only just realised that, they've done away with the old lightning bolt lead, and they call this the lightning bolt, but it's not. It's USB-C, which is actually quite handy because that means that that's going to be much better for expanding your stuff out rather than having to have different cables for different things. It's got an Ethernet and it's got an HDMI lead, which is obviously good for plugging into your screen, and a couple of old school USB-A, I think they are, inputs there, which is great. They haven't binned that off totally. And there is a headphone out. I don't know if that's digital out as well. I know the old ones used to be digital out, so you could go optical from that into a converter. Super handy. So yeah, having a dig out. And that's it. Apparently they're super quiet, so we'll put that to the test and find out once I've got it going. Yeah, so all very exciting. There's not a lot else in the box. A bit of gump, probably a few stickers. No one ever uses. And a power lead, that's it. Yeah, these are definitely worth getting for doing music production on. They're now going to be super fast. I think the problem is with the actual tower that they've built. It's too small and you can't expand anything out on it. And they're also mega money. I think this one was about £1,200, which, you know, for a computer that's quite powerful for doing music production on, it's not bad money really. So yeah, that's it. I suggest you buy one. They're always good. So you can plug in your old screens and Bluetooth keyboards with it. So thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.